Saylor reverses course on stock sales as strategy's premium to Bitcoin holdings falls. Bitcoin Treasury. Michael Saylor. Saylor Strategy Inc. reverses course on stock sale restrictions as Bitcoin premium erodes and purchasing pace slows to just 430 BTC weekly. Crypto journalist. Hassan. Crypto journalist. Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. August 19, 2025. Michael Saylor Strategy Inc. has quietly abandoned its self-imposed restrictions on stock sales just weeks after implementing them. The company announced it will now allow equity issuance below its previously established 2.5x mNAV threshold, when otherwise deemed advantageous to the company, according to Bloomberg. Strategy's trading premium to its massive Bitcoin holdings continues to compress amid growing market pressures and slowing institutional demand. The reversal is a retreat from July's more stringent financing guidelines that pledged to avoid selling new shares below the 2.5x premium except for covering debt interest or preferred equity dividends. Strategy faces funding pressure as Bitcoin premium erodes. The policy shift comes as Strategy's Bitcoin purchases have notably slowed, with the company acquiring just 430 Bitcoin worth $51.4 million in the 7 days ended August 17, and 115 BTC in the week before. This pause marks a deceleration from the aggressive accumulation patterns seen earlier this year, during which Strategy regularly purchased thousands of Bitcoin weekly through various financing mechanisms. Short sellers led by Jim Chanos have intensified their scrutiny of the company's financing model, questioning whether demand for Strategy's 4 series of preferred stock offerings can adequately replace revenue from traditional share sales. Strategy's common shares have since declined 22% since reaching an all-time high on November 20th, while Bitcoin has surged approximately 23% during the same timeframe. Currently, Strategy is holding 629,376 BTC worth approximately $72 billion. The company's reduced purchasing pace indicates a potential constraint in the capital-raising machinery that has powered years of aggressive accumulation. Brian Dobson from Clear Street believes the additional language in the guidance gives them more leeway with issuing common stock, and should allow the company to be more opportunistic in its Bitcoin purchases. Adding to the company's challenges, multiple class action lawsuits targeting Strategy's business practices and risk disclosures have emerged, with Pomerantz LLP representing shareholders who purchased stock between April 30, 2024, and April 4, 2025. Corporate Treasury strategies navigate mounting pressures. Strategy's financing adjustment is part of a growing competitive pressure as corporate Treasury strategies expand beyond Bitcoin into a multi-asset race for diversification. Major Ethereum Treasury companies recently gathered in Manhattan to pitch Wall Street on over $22 billion worth of corporate Ether holdings, with Bitmain targeting 5% of Ethereum's total supply and SharpLink Gaming raising $2.6 billion for more ETH accumulation. Corporate treasuries now control over $28 billion worth of Ether across multiple public companies, creating a parallel accumulation race that mirrors Bitcoin's corporate adoption but with yield-generating staking capabilities. Unlike Bitcoin's yield-free model, Ethereum treasury companies can stake their holdings for returns, with SharpLink taking nearly 100% of its ETH and generating approximately 1,326 ETH in cumulative rewards. Meanwhile, the broader $215 billion corporate Bitcoin movement spanning 213 entities faces warnings from Centaur Research that most participants won't survive credit cycle due to structural vulnerabilities in rising rate environments. The study identifies what it calls a critical flaw in corporate Bitcoin strategies. The research noted that idle Bitcoin on a corporate balance sheet is not a scalable strategy in a rising rate world, because most companies are either unprofitable or heavily reliant on mark-to-market gains. Vincent Mailey-Pard from Centaur acknowledges that balance sheet diversification with a hard asset like Bitcoin is the right framing, but warns the strategy remains fundamentally limited without Bitcoin evolving to generate yield. This critique has found support from established investment firms, with Carousel Capital arguing that Strategy's $100 billion market capitalization trading above its $60 billion Bitcoin holdings creates an unjustifiable premium that sophisticated investors are beginning to arbitrage. Despite these headwinds, Strategy's shares have gained over 3,000% since initiating Bitcoin purchases in mid-2020, vastly outperforming both Bitcoin's 1,000% gain and the S&P 500's 115% rise during the same period. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Your phone can now mine crypto. XRP mining app turns smartphones into daily miners. XRP price prediction. Ripple exec says XRPL is perfect for real-world assets. Trillions of dollars coming to XRP. Why is crypto down today? August 19, 2025. Blockchain news. Thailand launches crypto-to-bot payment system for tourists starting August 18. 2 days ago. By Hassan. Price analysis. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Pepe and Shiba Inu by the end of 2025. 3 days ago. By Tim Hackey. Price analysis. Perplexity AI predicts the price of XRP, Pepe and Cardano by the end of 2025. 6 days ago. By Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in August 2025. Top crypto to invest in. August 12, 2025. By Alan Draper. Best upcoming crypto coins in 2025. 1 day ago. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 2 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in August 2025. 23 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 10 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 14 hours ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.